hoteliers, welcome back to our vlog. I'm Ken, so you can call me Ken. So today, we are here in Colon Street. Kaya gisugo ko sa akong mother. Then, today, we will discuss the impact, the introduction, the issues and trends, and the solid and hazardous waste of facilities and maintenance. So, let's bounce. What is facilities and maintenance? For me, facilities and maintenance is the people and the methods that keeps your business building working smoothly and keeping spaces, structures, and infrastructures in a proper operating condition, in a routine, schedule, or anticipated fashion to prevent failure or degradation. The impact of facilities and maintenance.
Let me share about the facilities and maintenance impact. Facilities and maintenance impact to worker faces a range of ergonomic risks on the job, including hazard associated with repetitive motions, heavy lifting, and awkward work postures. In fact, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration's OOSOA continues to list maintenance and repair work in general among its high-risk occupations for developing musculoskeletal disorders. The good news is that manager can take steps to reduce injury risk through the educations, proper staffing, and assistive equipment, particularly machines that replace risky manual tasks with simple push-button operations. Facilities maintenance works must handle large volumes of heavy materials. So, example of maintenance. Give staff the proper tools and figurative and literally. Education will always keep important role in keeping workers safe. Knowing how to lift ergonomically and when to enlist lifting partner or assistive lifting device. This goes to productivity and protection from injury, especially those important for older workers.
Issues and trends.
We discuss the issue of facility and maintenance. First, cost control. Facility managers in many companies face a common problems of being pressurized to do more with less. To tackle this, they have to accurately deal with budget constraints. Second, multitasking and coordinating teams. In order to make operations run smoothly, it is crucial to implement workplace practice that ensure a constant flow of the communications, organizations, sharing knowledge, productivity, and innovations. Third, the time management. These are many workers with questions and unpredictable issues to solve. To answer these problems better, we should take advantage of developments in technologies and to make workers safe by planning and prioritizing tasks easier. Fourth, handle failure. Assist maintenance in one of the most complex process which demands rigorous information flow and quick call to actions. Technologies developments brought many solutions that should be adopted by the maintenance team in order to the work make easier.
Facilities maintenance. Building information modeling. For facilities, building information modeling is having an immense impact of design, construction, and the management projects and buildings. It is the concept of modeling the project's development for buildings. Machine learning for facilities. This learning allows the system to learn how to perform new functions autonomously. Even if they functions not planned initially, solutions with machine learning resources can be precious for facilities management. Building management system with machine learning can automate data collection and analyze to predict results to avoid risks. IoT, a trend that is already present to many ways across business. The IoT concept is the system and tools are connected, sharing data and information between them. Today, most of the people is no longer depending on the spreadsheets and files. Various software programs can be immensely useful for the area, accelerating process and facilitating discussion making. This means that the workers will no longer be having a hard time in jolting down everything to avoid muscle strains.
Solid and hazardous waste of facilities and maintenance.
Going to discuss about the solid and hazardous waste. A solid waste is hazardous if it is specifically listed as a known hazardous waste. Listed wastes are waste from common manufacturing and industrial processes, specific industries, and can be generated from discarded commercial products. To avoid the potential risks associated with household hazardous waste, it is important that people always monitor the use, storage, and disposal of products with potentially hazardous substances in their homes. The dangers of such disposal methods might not be immediately obvious, but improper disposal of this waste can pollute the environment and pose a threat to human health. Repetitive awkward postures which increase risk of injury, and the repetitive awkward postures are caused by lifting the garbage bags which are outside the recommended lifting zone. The repetitive awkward shoulder and back postures which are causes for concern. Furthermore, workers are often throwing the garbage bags to avoid walking to the hopper, and throwing the bags also results in repetitive awkward shoulder and elbow injuries. Thank you.
Today, let's talk about solid waste and hazardous waste. First off, we will tackle about the example of solid waste. Solid waste are discarded or abandoned materials, and solid waste can be solid, liquid, or semi-solid, or concatenarized generous materials. And example of it is waste tires, latex paints, furniture and toys, garbage appliances, vehicles, oil and antifreeze, or construction debris and demolition debris. That is the example of solid waste. And
Hi guys, I'm back. So to sum up everything, facilities and maintenance is essential to keep equipment, machines, and the work environment safe and reliable. So lack of maintenance or inadequate maintenance can lead to dangerous situation, accidents, and health problems. So maintenance is a high-risk activity which some of hazards resulting from nature of work. Maintenance workers are more likely than other employees to be exposed to various hazards. Maintenance is a generic term for a variety of tasks in very different types of sectors and all kinds of working environment. So this involves changing tasks and working environment. This is especially true in case of contract workers. Subcontracting is an aggravating factor in terms of safety and health. Numerous accidents and incidents relate to subcontracting maintenance. So, working under time pressure is also typical for maintenance operations, especially when shutdowns or high priority repairs are involved that commonly occurs in hospitality industry.